The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, who is the convener to lead the group of ministers constituted by the Ministry of Finance, Government of India, to study the GST rates for casinos, racecourses and online gaming, had informed that the meeting that was held in New Delhi had come to a consensus on the matter. Addressing media queries after the meeting, Conrad Sangma informed that the report of the group of ministers' submissions will be handed over to the Union Finance Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, within a day or two, and the matter will be presented in the next GST Council meeting.
So basically, first of all, I thank all the members who have attended. Almost everybody had attended the meeting. It was a very detailed meeting with a detailed presentation from all the stakeholders and especially our officials gave a detailed presentation. And after going through all the details, we have gone into aspects of the law. We have seen the Supreme Court ruling. We have seen what were the decisions that were taken in the past. And based on that, recommendations have been made. Only issue is that I will not be able to share those recommendations.
So whether 28%
because,
has been...
please listen to me. The reason is because these are recommendations which I will have to present to the Honorable Finance Minister, and it has to be placed in the GST Council, and ultimately it is the Council that is going to decide. So therefore, the recommendations of GoM are only recommendations, and therefore at this point in time, it will be inappropriate for me or the GoM to really give details about those aspects. But the only thing I want to say is that all the decisions and recommendations that we have made have been based on existing laws that are in place, existing rulings from the Supreme Court, and keeping in mind the entire uniformity that needs to be maintained in the sector as a whole. So all these factors had to be looked in. We also looked at the aspect of the growth of different sectors. We also looked at the aspect of ensuring that the entrepreneurs, the businesses, all these aspects also were considered. But as I said, the GoM had to take a consistent view, and based on that, we'll be submitting a report.
So just one question. I know you don't want to comment.
There is, and very soon, as I said, GST Council will take a call. We have been asked to study this in detail, and we have given our recommendations, and the reports will be submitted based on the existing laws and the rules and the Supreme Court rulings that are in place. And that's the basis on which we have given our recommendations. As I said, exact numbers and all, it will not be appropriate. It's done. The decision has been made. We are submitting a report. Maybe in a day or two, whenever the report is ready, I will formally submit it to the Honorable Finance Minister. And we are hopeful that it will be taken up in the next GST Council meeting.